Hello mamas, welcome back to another video. For those that are new, hey girl, my name is Ericarenee. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button down below. So as y'all can tell by the title, girl, this is my morning routine. So yeah, today is Monday, so this is the start of my week. So I showed you all the basics of me getting up, you know, getting up out of bed, brushing my teeth. I took Bella on a walk. I just got back from that. So right now it is currently 9:01 and I'm kind of running behind today because usually I try to get up at like 7 o'clock in the morning, y'all, because I have to be at work at 8. But girl, these are one of the days where I'm just like, I'm over it. So I'm running behind. I didn't get up until like 8:15. So yeah, that tells you a lot. Your girl is late. So right now what I'm about to do is drink me my vitamin C. And y'all, my allergies have really been bothering me. Like, my eye has been so runny. So I'm gonna tell y'all what I take for my allergies as well. So yeah, right now I'm about to take my vitamin C, and let me show y'all how I do all of that. So this is the vitamin C that I take right here, the emergency. I love taking these, y'all, because I just feel like it's a little bit more efficient than me taking the because I either take this or the pill, but I just feel better when I take this. I don't know. But I'm about to go ahead and do this right here. Put it in my water. And I'm going to go ahead and drink. I'm going to go ahead and drink this full thing. Yeah, I used to be drinking coffee, but I have stopped drinking coffee because I feel like I put too much creamer in it and it's like a lot of sugar. So I just try not to drink coffee like that anymore. I do sometimes, but this morning, girl, we're not drinking coffee. So I'm just going to stick in my water. And I'm going to show y'all like the rest of my, like what else I'm going to do. But for right now, I'm just going to have this vitamin C. And it tastes nasty the more water that you have in it, but I don't really mind. Because I like, you know, get my water intake in. So yeah, I'm going to drink this and I'm about to go work for a little bit. And then when I come back, I'm going to get my workout in. Today I'm not going to the gym. I'm going to go ahead and do a workout from home. And y'all, the workout videos that I do at home is from Body Project. Girl, I feel like they have really good videos and it's realistic for me because I'm like, I can't do all these, you know, I can't do all these extreme moves that some of these people be doing on YouTube. Like, they be going up and down on the flow, hip hop hop. Like, I can't do all that, okay? So I really like doing Body Project videos because it's more realistic for me, because I'm like kind of like, I'm not a beginner, but I'm not like, you know, elite either. Like, I'm not like, you know. So yeah, these videos are definitely a one for me. So that's what we're gonna do today. That's gonna be our workout. And yeah, I guess I'll see y'all once I get into my workout.
Don't play with a dog. Don't play with a dog. Don't play with a dog. Be dishonest. Still not understanding its logic. Be dishonest. Still not understanding its logic. Back in a better. Want you bad as ever. Don't let me just let up. I wanna give you better. Baby, it's whatever. Somebody gotta step up. Somebody's on that stuff.
Hey y'all, so I just got finished with my workout. Girl, look at me. Your girl is sweating, okay? Like sweating real good, okay? And that's what we want. I'm sweating so good. So I have on this sweatsuit. I didn't show y'all this, I don't think. But I have on this sweatsuit that I got from Amazon. It comes with the shirt and it comes with the pants. Girl, if you happy, you really sweat. Like, okay? So yeah, got done with my workout. Now I'm about to make me some breakfast. And I'm actually pretty hungry this morning. Like, I didn't really yesterday. I'm trying this thing of like not overeating. So yeah, I didn't overeat yesterday, which is good. So today I woke up hungry, but I wanted to get my workout in before I ate. So yeah, girl, let me show y'all what I'm about to eat for breakfast. So I've really been loving these protein pancakes. This is yeah, I forgot the brand because I put it in this container. I think it's called like Bear something. I don't know, but you get it from Target. Let me tell y'all what it's called. It's like this, and it's called Bella, please, ma'am. Oh Lord, y'all are not clear. Okay, so it's called Kodiak Cakes, and this is the buttermilk and honey honey kind. This one I kind of like better than the original because I think I just got buttermilk, but this one actually has honey in it. It's actually pretty good to me. Like, it's not bad. So yeah, if you are trying to like cut out eating, like, you know, so if you want to, like, if you like pancakes like me, but you don't really want to, like, you know, all those calories, all of that other stuff, then you can go ahead and get this. And then it has a really good source of protein in it, which is also good for weight loss. So yeah, girl, I'm about to go ahead and make this, and then I'm going to have like some turkey bacon, and I have some fruits that I'm going to have on the side. So yeah, girl, let's get right into it. And this is my second bottle of water, and it's like 10:46. So I need to kind of speed up the process because I really try to drink like maybe like 4 to 6 bottles of water a day. Yeah, so we on number 2, girl. Hey girl, so I just got finished making my breakfast. So I have my 2 little pancakes, and then I have 2 pieces of, can y'all see that? 2 pieces of my turkey bacon. And so I'm about to show y'all what I take for like vitamin wise. So I take a multivitamin, and it's like a vegetarian, gluten-free one. So I take, it looks just like this, y'all, period. And then I take a vitamin D pill, an allergy pill, and an iron pill. So it all looks like this. I think I talked about this in one of my other videos, but this is how they look. And then on top of that, I like to take some local grown honey. This really helps with your allergies. If you have like really bad allergies, like girl, I have really bad allergies, okay? So I like to take a tablespoon of this and a half, and this really gets the job done. If you know about honey, you know, okay? So I haven't been taking this. That's why my allergies have been acting up, girl. But we're back on it. So I'm just going to take a tablespoon of this and a half, and I don't need to take any more after that. After that, you don't have to take any more. So yeah, I'm about to do what it do. I'm about to eat my breakfast, and then after that, I'm going to show you all like a little clip of like my shower routine, because I think I'm going to do a whole different video about that. But yeah, I'm about to eat my breakfast, and I'll see y'all a little later. Hey y'all, so I just got out of the shower, and what I used on my body is this Fenty Skin, the Butter Drop Cream. Girl, this is my favorite thing to use. So I use this on my body, and then I just sprayed a little bit of this body mist on me, and this is the Brazilian Crush. It smells so good. So yeah, girl. So I have on a hat, y'all, because during the week when I'm working and stuff, I don't feel like dealing with my hair. So I just braid my hair all the way to the back, and we call it a day, okay? So that is why I'll be wearing a hat most of the time. So yeah, I did my little skincare. I'm just going to put on some moisturizer. And this is the moisturizer that I use, the Clinique, the Moisture Surge. I don't know if y'all can see that. But yeah, girl, this is what I use. Let me know if y'all want like a in-depth like skincare routine. Because girl, I feel like my skin has been looking so good lately. Like, it's so clear. Let me show y'all. Do y'all see that? Clear, okay? Like, she is very clear. It's getting very much glass skin. It's looking really good these days. So let me know down below if y'all want a routine. So what time is it? Y'all, it's late. Well, not late, but it's like 1:12. And I'm still doing my morning routine. It's because I didn't wake up on time. You see what happens when you don't wake up on time? Like, girl, this is what happens. You be doing stuff all day long. So yeah, I'm currently on break right now because I was just doing the most. So yeah, I'm on break, and usually I'm gonna show y'all what I would usually do. Excuse me. Oh, not turning the light out. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm gonna show y'all what I usually do when I like when I'm trying not to eat too much or too soon, because I just had breakfast. That was like at 10 something when I had breakfast. So it's 1 o'clock, like I said. So that was like what, 3 hours ago. So instead of me going ahead and dipping into lunch, let me show y'all. Girl, this camera is not, she's trying to play me. She is trying to play me. But okay, instead of dibbling into lunch too soon, what I like to do is either make a smoothie or I'll drink maybe one of these drinks. I've never had this specific kind, but we're going to try it out today. This is the Arden's Garden Vegetable Juice Cold Press Drink. And this is the one called Yoga 1. And this has pineapple juice, apple juice, spinach, kale, distilled water, ginger, and lemons. So yeah, right now I'm actually not hungry, so I'm not going to drink this, but I'm just letting y'all know what it would be if I was, like, you know, feeling a little bit hungry, because I kind of want to eat lunch like around maybe 2 o'clock, stretch it into like 2. So yeah, if I was hungry, I would definitely drink this. So yeah, girl, you can get this from Whole Foods? No, Trader Joe's. You can get this from Trader Joe's. I actually got mine from Publix. So yeah, girl. So yeah, I think this is my morning routine. This is it. I think this is everything. I took y'all with me this morning to work out. We did hygiene. Girl, I think this is it. So yeah, girl, it is the end of this video. I hope y'all enjoyed. Let me know if I should do like a shower routine. I feel like I do want to do one, but just let me know if y'all want to see that. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if y'all want to see like more things that I do in a day, make sure to watch my vlogs, because those are like more in depth and I actually be doing stuff in those. So yeah, make sure to watch my vlogs, and I'll catch y'all in my next video. Peace.